Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to upload a 4K image to your Threads account using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as an account for Threads and a 4K image that we have exported. We can start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Instagram.com. Make sure that you are signed into the account. Then go to your profile. Locate your Threads handle. Click on this to take us to threads.net. Make sure that you are also signed into the account. Now let's navigate to a new desktop. Go all the way down to the dock. Go to Finder. Go to my YouTube channel. Go to the 4K folder that we have the 4K image within. Right click this. Copy. Paste to the desktop. Paste item. Close Finder. Right click that image. Go to Get Information and we can see the resolution of the image itself and the dimensions, which are 3840 by 2160. So we know that this in fact is a 4K image. Go back to Threads, go to the plus sign, bottom right corner, click on Media, upload that 4K image, click on Upload. Let's type the caption. This is a 4K image. Uploaded to Threads, hashtag Computer Science Videos, click on Post. This is not posting, this has been posted. Click on View and there we have it. The 4K image uploaded to Threads on Computer Science Videos on screen. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now. Or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.